Very good afternoon from the dining hall construction site of Mahabodhi Residential School Tuichawng, Lungle District, Mizoram, India. Myself, I'm Mr. Sudip Chakma, coordinator of Mahabodhi Residential School. So today I'm here at the construction site of the dining hall for Mahabodhi Residential School Tuichawng. It's truly inspiring to see the progress we have made so far. You can see behind me on this project, which will benefit the underprivileged minority Chakma Buddhist students who call this school their home. Right now, the work is focused on the road level construction of the dining hall. You can see behind me the slab shuttering that was completed earlier is now being carefully dismantling. Our workers are breaking down the shuttering with great precision and care to ensure the materials remains in good condition. Once the shuttering is removed, we will keep these materials aside to reuse them for other aspects of the projects. So, maximizing efficiency and minimizing waste is our motto in each and every works we do here in this great Buddhist project, Buddhist Mission School project. As we move forward, the next phase of construction will begin as soon as we organize the remaining funds. With these funds, we plan to procure the necessary materials to continue building this much needed facility for our underprivileged students studying in this school. So my dear Dhamma friends, and especially our Dhamma mothers, as every step brings us closer to providing the students with a space where they can gather, share meals, and build a stronger sense of community together. This project is not just about the structure, it's about creating opportunity and fostering a sense of belonging for the students. Here, with your ongoing support and the generous contribution of our donors, we are confident that we will see this dream become a reality. And lastly, thank you, dear Dhamma Mother of beautiful country Switzerland, for your generous contribution to this project. Your generosity and kindness are making a real difference. So it is one of the great initiatives for all of us that our students are growing together in the sense of Buddhist teachings. And stay tuned for more updates as we progress toward completing this dining hall for the future of these young minds. May this effort bring happiness and blessings to all. So, sabbe satta sukita huntu, and may all living beings be happy, free from suffering. And thank you each and every one, especially our heartfelt gratitude goes to our Dhamma Mother of beautiful country Switzerland. Thank you.